Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat contacts to Mailchimp. All right. You actually have two options. So first up, you can send live chat contacts to Mailchimp by installing the official live chat integration, which adds a subscription form to your pre-chat window. And the second one is by using a third-party automation tool or platform like Zapier or Zoho Flow. Okay. So for this example, I'm just going to be showing you the simple one. And if you want me to create a video about how to do it using an automation platform, well, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Now, first up, in here, go to your live chat, okay, or live chat website or agent app, however you call it. Now in here, just click on the app section like so. And in this page right here, scroll down and find Mailchimp. Okay. Scroll down, or just use the search bar right here if you can't find it right away. Mailchimp right here. Click on it. Click on Get. It says here application installed, and it will open up a new tab. Okay. Now in here, just wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we now have Mailchimp in the apps section. Now in here, as you can see, it's under here as well. So just click on it, and you can now go ahead and click on Open Settings, or click on Settings right here to customize Mailchimp or the integration. Okay, click on Connect with Mailchimp right here, and just log in with your Mailchimp account. Okay, once done, scroll down, hit on Allow, wait for it. Now select your Mailchimp audience right here. I'm going to select this one, Complete Integration. This is basically where live chat will send your new contacts. Okay, there you have it. Okay, as you can see here, we now have the connected audience. You can now then go ahead and customize your pre-chat form. Okay, just click on pre-chat form settings right here and set up your sign-up form as well. Okay, and that's basically it. Now, when you go ahead over to chats right here, okay, now what you'll do, if you have a lead or a new message from here, you can just go ahead and click on this drop down, or if you can see Mailchimp, just click on Mailchimp, and you should have a ton of options in here. Okay, just like sending the contact to Mailchimp, right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.